All right, about 10 days later, that's what we got. Look. New roof. Thank goodness. Good. Look at that. Looking better already. 100%. Look at this. In the last video, a lot of comments about being a slumlord and letting the property go to hell. My sister was the property manager. I had no control over this property. Never saw on a dime, never had a hand in the maintenance. So I ended up buying her out, taking it over. And we're working on it, fixing it. Look at that. Hello. All right. About to paint, looks like. Sheet rocked. Hello. Not much change in here. Hello. Wow. Yeah. There goes the shower going in. That's good. Anyway, that's pretty much it.